Díogwit, agus fáilte arash. Hello and welcome back. In this Irish language video, we're going to look at how you can express certain feelings in Irish. Let's start with this word here, Nora. Nora is the Irish word for shame or to be embarrassed. Nora, shame. Bhí Nora he was ashamed. Bhí Nora Is more on Nora é. It's a big shame, or it's a great shame. Is more on Nora é. Chrom she a cheann le Nora. She hung her head in shame, or she bowed her head in shame. Chrom she a cheann le Nora. The next feeling then we're going to talk about is this here, broad. Broad means pride. Tá broad orm as. I'm proud of it. Tá broad orm as. And broad éireach would be gay pride. Broad éireach. But another word for pride would be mortise. Mortise. So, mar hampla. Tá mortise náisiúnta ag bra ar seo. National pride is at stake here. Tá mortise náisiúnta ag bra ar seo. Our next feeling then is stress. Stress means stress in Irish. Stress. And you may hear the following word brew used sometimes as well to mean stress. But brew means pressure. Brew. So brew fulla would be blood pressure. Brew fulla. Where on post shin stress more urhi. That job put a lot of stress on her. Where on post shin stress more urhi. Is úntach é an Gaeilge le stress a bhfuilú. Laughter is a great way to de-stress. Is úntach é an Gaeilge le stress a bhfuilú. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and you can always subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Gorv mágat agus feicigh mé go luathu.